Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a file in GitHub repository. So first thing you have to do is open up a browser and click on the official website of GitHub and click on it and make sure you're logged in. So once you're logged in, you go to your profile, right? Click on your profile. You're going to have this drop down. So once you get the drop down, you click on repositories. Once you click on that, you can see all the repositories I've actually uploaded. So maybe I want to delete one file from this one, which is web page. I'll just click on it. So once you click on it like that, you can see all the files I actually added. So if you want to delete this or any ones at all, just click on that. Right, so once you click on that, you can see this three dots right here. Click on that as well, and once you click on that, you can see delete file. Click on delete file, and once you delete the file, you're going to click on commit changes. So you click on that and you can see, and you can just put an description saying delete file, simply like this, and you can now click on commit changes again and it will be deleted. You can see it has been deleted. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.